Have you ever wondered how nature gets its glow? Who gives it light and colour as the seasons come and go? The secret is, it's all the work of fairies. And within a special place called Pixie Hollow, fairies of every talent practice their magical abilities and prepare for the change of seasons. But one day, a very special fairy would arrive with a magic like nothing they've ever seen. You know her name.
Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell? Tinkerbell?
Now, discover the story of the world's most beloved fairy. How she came to be, found her place, and changed her world forever. Tinkerbell, an all-new movie. On Disney DVD and Blu-ray, October 28th.
This way?
The incredible story of a young boy who meets a magical friend.
Presenting Billy! Oh, we have a winner!
So you want me to believe that I can have whatever I ask for?
What do you say? You want to have a try?
I want fish.
I bring from the depths to fly like wings. Combo seafood platter number 3 is made to order. Make a choice.
I'll take this.
Say no more.
That's so cool.
All right. So from now on, you are officially my one and only master.
Climb aboard.
Hold on, master. Here we go!
On a journey where wishes come true.
See one that you like?
I like all of them.
Get ready to march. Get ready to run.
And entering the voice talents of high school musicals, Gourd and Blue.
I need a ticket, Raymond.
Okay, get in. The world will spin. And don't forget your popcorn, Tim.
I told you to get me in, but not in the movie itself.
Wow, usher and actor. No, I didn't help. You must have done it on your own.
Discover the magic. The secret of the magic gold. An all-new movie coming soon to Disney DVD.
My friends, my name is Papi. Viva Chihuahua. We have been dressed in sweaters and carried in purses. I say, no mas. I am tired of the jokes about our size. We will not be toys or fashion accessories. We will not answer to Fifi or Fufu. No mas! Viva Chihuahuas!
Nothing can prepare you for the rise of the Chihuahuas. Beverly Hills Chihuahua.
Who is with me?
Coming soon to Disney DVD and Blu-ray High Def.
Hello?
Penny, I don't have much time.
Daddy? I don't understand.
It's okay, Penny. You have both. I've altered him.
He can protect you now.
Bolt, speak.
Get that dog!
the star of the biggest show in Hollywood.
She's still in danger.
The only problem is...
Hold on, Penny.
he thinks it's all real.
Don't let him out. He's never been off the set before. I'm coming, Penny.
Production of the hit television show Bolt shut down today when its star dog went missing.
You look familiar.
What? Yeah, he's real good with the faces and such.
I gotta remember, it's gonna kill me. Hold on. No, I don't know. I thought I knew.
I need someone close to the green-eyed man. A cat.
Wow, it's a good knot. Were you in the Navy?
Well, I'll release you, cat, when we find Penny.
He must be so scared. Bolt's not scared of anything.
You're Bolt, the super dog! Where's Penny? She was kidnapped by the green-eyed man, but I've captured this cat.
You're crazy, man!
She's taking me to Penny. I can be a valuable addition to your team. The road will be rough. I have the ball. Easy won't be part of the equation. Promise. Danger at every turn.
I eat danger for breakfast.
You hungry? Starving!
This Thanksgiving,
How do you say no way I'm doing this in crazy?
Let it begin!
one unlikely team
Look, genius, you're not a super dog.
is on a mission to get back
He
home.
can be anywhere by now.
This is awesome!
And the comedy event of the holiday season
Bolt!
is about to be unleashed.
Superbar! Superbar! We need a fast set of wheels. I'll get my ball.
Bolt,
Let it begin! Let it begin!
Coverage, no matter what. What this is about is rolling back access to birth control for as many as 62 million women across the country. Now, we all know that birth control is basic preventive care.
700 years into the future, mankind will leave our planet, leaving Earth's cleanup in the hands of one incredible machine. His name is Waverly. After all these years, he's developed one little glitch.
Whoa.
A personality. He's extremely curious. And just a little bit lonely. But all that is about to change.
Self-destruct. You are now free to move around the cabin. Mr. Tram, you look gorgeous.
your dance too, where you really are a princess.